Hey, welcome to the replay. If you're watching the replay, make sure if you do that you put in hashtag replay. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, and I'm just waiting for it to show up on my other device so I know you're there. So what I'm doing for you today is actually a redo. This is a design I had done on a whiteboard, and this is what is really fun and cool about Chalk Couture is the fact that as long as you don't seal a project, you can redo any design at any time. So I did use my chalk paste on this. This was a really cute project I did for a little girl's birthday party. So really, really cute, super fun and easy for the younger girls. And something they can display in their room to see every day and they know they did it. So super fun. If you're interested in that, just reach out to me if you're local, but turned out really cute. So what I'm going to be doing for you today is one of our new transfers at Chalk Couture. This one is Live Life in Flip Flops. So how cute is that going to be? I hope it fits. It should. But we'll see. If not, we can do it on something else. But the one thing really nice about our products is if you should decide that you're not local to me and you want to do this on your own, right on the back of each and every one of our transfers are the directions on how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. All of our transfers are silkscreen reusable transfers, which is really awesome. You usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. And then again, down here, it kind of just shows you the process as well. So awesome that you can do that and create beautiful things over and over again. So if you have a design, oh, and by the way, if you're in here, please say hello. I would love to see any of my friends on here and just say hello to me so I know you're there and let me know what state you're watching from. That's really awesome. But if you have a design, and like I said, if you haven't sealed it, how you would remove this, and again, I'm doing this on a whiteboard. You don't have to use our products just on chalkboards, but you know, we do have amazing chalkboards at Chalk Couture. You can do things on wood, you can do things on canvas. As long as it is a non-porous surface, you can do that. So I have this design, I'm just spraying it with water, and as you can see, once water hits this, it kind of reactivates the chalk paste, which is really cool. And then I just have a Clorox wipe, and you know what, I actually need a couple more, I'm sure. And hold on one second here. I just want to pull them out so I have them. And you just, a little bit of elbow grease, you guys. You have to kind of push. But look how it comes right off. So how fun and easy is that? It is so versatile. And like I said, you can seal projects if you want to and make them permanent. And we also have our Couture inks that we offer. And those are permanent as long as you heat set them. But it's really cool that you can change out your designs for each and every season. You know, if you want to change your colors, if you move to a new home and you have a new color scheme, you know, you can definitely do that. Our chalk paste comes in 35 different colors. And then our new Couture inks come in 15 different colors. So now I have a brand new surface that I can chalk on. So how cool is that? And just to show you really quick, I know we're not talking about this right now, but if you want to seal it, this is what I use to seal my projects. So once I'm done and I let my design dry, when I'm using my chalk paste, I use the Krylon clear. You make sure it's clear, it's a clear sealer, and that makes your designs permanent, okay? So just so you have that heads up. But again, I just want to make sure my surface is dry. And I am going to be doing a design in chalk paste for you. So you're just going to remove your transfer. So I hope everyone's having a good day. I have today off, not working, so I do work full time. I work for Coach, super fun and exciting. And today's my day off. And I got a long weekend coming up, so. All right, so I'm just cutting apart my transfer. And again, remember, these are all reusable, so you can make designs over and over again if you want to make gifts for family. You know what's really cool? So yes, I do Chalk Couture as a business. And you can do this as a business. You can do this as a hobby. Whatever you want to do. You can do this on social media. You can sell on Etsy. You can sell at vendor shows, local boutiques. And that's kind of the beauty of this, is the fact that there are many options that you can do this with. It's not just home parties, so if you're interested in that, let me know. I would love to share that with you. So I think I might only be able to get one flip-flop in here, but that's super okay. I'm fine with just one flip-flop. All right, so I'm gonna do this one. I kind of like the zigzaggies. I think that's cute. So you're gonna get your transfers, you'll cut them apart, and there are lines as you saw. And then what you'll do is you wanna write on the back so that you know which side is the backing, because remember, these are all reusable. I can't talk and write at the same time. Oh, flip-flop. Flip. And then I'm just gonna write flop on the back of this one so that I know. All right, done. And then the hardest part, truthfully, is picking your design of what you wanna do. It truly, truly is the hardest part. So do I wanna do, I haven't done this, you guys, honestly. I haven't done this design, so I'm hoping I pick the right thing. So we'll see. If not, we can redo it, right? So I'm gonna remove my transfer, and I'm just peeling it right off of there. Now, sometimes what you wanna do, because when you get your transfers, they're super sticky, okay? You wanna do something called fuzzing it up, and all that means is, I'm out of the picture here, I'm just applying it to a terry cloth towel to get some fuzz on the back so that it's not super, super sticky. And then I'm just going to apply it to my surface of where I want it. I kind of have to play with this because my transfer is a little bit bigger, which is totally okay. And you just want to make sure that where the words are, where the silk screen area is, that there is no air bubbles within that area. I don't care about the green, it's only where that silk screen area is. So super cool. And if you're watching and you like what you see, please feel free to share in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices. There is a share button. I would appreciate it if you would share if you're watching. And I do have a YouTube channel where I will share this on there as well. So check that out to see all the fun designs. Now at Chalk Couture, we do have 2 different size chalk paste. We're actually getting rid of this size. This is a 2-ounce size and going to the 3-ounce size. So as we weed out the rest of what we have in 2, we'll be going to the 3, or if we're already currently out, just so you know if you're purchasing straight online. So this is our 3-ounce and this is our 2-ounce sizes, just so you know if you're wondering why there's 2 different sizes. We like the big 3-ounce size better anyway. Gives us more chalk paste, gives us more room to put our lids and stuff in. So I'm using our lemon yellow, our bubblegum, our brand new emerald green, and then our aquamarine. So I always like to stir up my chalk paste before I use them, especially if they've sat for a day or 2. And you just want your chalk paste to be like a yogurt consistency. I love new chalk paste. Ugh. So if you need to, you can add water to these to make it the consistency you want it to be. And as you can see, it's like a liquid and then it dries as a solid, which is really awesome. Our chalk paste was specially formulated by the owner of the company. But we are a newer company and we are looking for designers all across the US. And like I said, you can do this as a hobby. You can do this as a business. It's $99 to start your own business with Chalk Couture. You get over $250 worth of product. And make sure you check out my pictures on my Facebook page, as they're all there to show you what you get. I really wish I could rejoin and get the kit. It's super amazing. And then each and every month there is a $19.99 fee, and it's for our website, our app, because we do have an app. But the best part about it is each and every month included in that fee, we get a brand new transfer that is part of our Club Couture. And I know I've talked about that before, but each and every month we get a brand new transfer. This one's kind of thick, so I am going to add a little bit of water. So you get that as part of that fee as well. So if you're interested, just reach out to me. I'd love to share more of that with you. And then we also have an opportunity group if you'd love to learn more about that. So, all right. So I've got my chalk paste where I wanted to do. Now for this design, I'm gonna kind of do a little bit of a marbling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just putting colors all over, okay? Nothing fancy here, you guys. Nothing fancy. Anybody can do this. telling you, it's easy. And the only thing about when you do this is you can't save your colors because you're going to be mixing them. But that's okay. So I think I'm going to do that. And then I want to get a squeegee. So I kind of think, you know what, I actually think I'm going to use my finger for this one because I kind of want them to blend together and maybe pull from here and there. So I'm just getting my finger. It's like finger painting and making sure I get my colors all over the place and making sure I'm covering all of my silk screen area with the colors I want. And that's it. Now I do have a pail of water off to the side here because we want to make sure we clean our transfer. And once you're done, you just peel it up. See what I mean? It's really, really sticky. Oh, and that's what you don't want to happen. Ooh, you don't want the back to stick together because it's really hard to get apart. But you just peel your transfer and that's it. You put that in water. We're gonna clean that up later. But look how cute that turned out, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I'm just cleaning off my fingers in my water, so you know. That turned out really, really cute. Oh, I got a piece of, that's a piece of my frame there. Look, I got it all over me. I'm messy. I'm a messy chalker. Okay. So I'm gonna let that dry before I do my flip-flop over here in the corner, which is fine. And I got a little bit there, so I'm just wiping it off. So like I said, all of our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So again, if you don't seal your project, if you mess this up, if you don't like how it looks, you can absolutely completely wipe this off and redo your design. And that's what's so amazing. So you can definitely do this on other surfaces. I know I've shown you many other things, but like here's a piece of wood. I think I had a video on this that I had shown you guys where I did have a wreath around it. I took the wreath off, which was super awesome because I want to do a different color. So you can do it on wood. Oh, sorry. So you can see it there, which is awesome. Our Couture inks, which is really cool. They are permanent, but you could do like mugs, dish towels, t-shirts, pillows. Super cool. So a lot of different options for you to use our products. Again, if you're that crafty person, this is a great business for you. So because this is taking a little bit longer to dry, I'm just gonna use my hair dryer, so I'm sorry for the noise. But I just wanna make sure I get this dried and we can move on to our next step. That turned out so pretty. I love the colors together. All right, so now I want to do my flip-flops. Now, I just need to figure out which one. I don't think it matters. It shouldn't matter. So I'm going to go with the solid flip-flop. So again, I'm just peeling my transfer. I'm going to apply it to where I want it. Smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles. And then for this one, I just want, and we have squeegees. One thing we do offer at Chalk Couture is a squeegee. Our squeegees come in a very large size. We have our angled squeegee and our regular squeegee. And then if you always watch my videos, I always cut mine. So it's just sometimes a lot easier to use depending on what size project you're creating. So I just cut my squeegees. And I love this color. It's so pretty. This is our emerald green. And I just apply my chalk paste. Now when you apply your chalk paste, you don't need a lot, but you do need some on your squeegee. You apply, you put pressure on the area, and then you just squeegee across. As you can see that I'm doing there. Take off any excess. I'll throw that in my water. I have to pull this up. Put water. Now again, I need to let this dry before I do the top layer. So just letting that dry. So again, if you're watching the replay, because I know it's probably during work hours, please make sure you say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. We have a lot of people on the page, so I'm super excited. Just making sure that's dry, you guys. We just released a lot of new transfers. So if you want, check out the website at, chalkingwithjen.com. You can see all the new different transfers. We have chalkboards. But again, if you want to do things on other surfaces, you can. You can buy your chalkboards from, any local craft store, things like that as well. So super fun and easy. I love doing sip and chalks if you're local to me. We have fun at our sip and chalks. Okay, so I think I'm good there. I don't know what color should I do on top. I don't know. What if I go with a dark blue, you guys? You think it's too much? Oh, I don't know. Ugh. I don't know what color to do. Okay, so when you're layering, you just need to make sure that the bottom layer is dry. And then you just line your things up. You can see right through your transfer, your silkscreen transfer. So you just want to line it up. So I'm just lining up, and I'm sorry if my head is getting in the camera. I just need to make sure I can see where my cute little flip-flop is. I don't like where that's at, you guys, so I'm just going to pull it back up really quick. I didn't like where it was sitting. Do you think I should do yellow, or do you think I should do pink? I don't know. Oh, that one's good. There we go. Much better. I like how that's sitting. All right. So what color should I do? Pink? Yellow? Pink? I think I'm going to go pink. Oh gosh. I'm nervous. Or green. Do you think? No? No. Let's go pink. We're going to go pink. I hope I'm doing this right. This is the first time I've done it. So if for any reason I'm doing it wrong, when we pull it up, we will know, and we will just redo it. So hopefully we're good. That's the beauty of Facebook Live. If you mess up, you can redo it, right? So again, just got my chalk paste, squeegee it on. Oh guys, that's so cute. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Look how cute they turned out. Aww. So if I had room, I'd have probably done the other one, but I think that turned out super cute. So maybe if you have like a little beach house, or maybe in your bathroom or something. Oh gosh, that turned out so cute, you guys. So I hope you love it. And again, if you are watching and you like what you see, please make sure you share the video in the left-hand corner. Again, comment, say hello, let me know you watched the replay. And check out all my other videos to see all the fun crafty things we'll be creating for this summer. So have a great day.